Hi guys, Musab Matmida here, and today we're in the studio with Cora. Can you say hi to them? All right, so we'll be doing a portrait photo shoot today, and we're going to use tree light setup. With me here, this is going to be my main light, also known as my key light, and this will be my field light. The light power from this my main light is going to be very high than the light that is coming from my field light because I want to have some amount of shadow on this side of her face, and considering her hair, I don't want to have too much light so that it don't give me too much shadow. So I want to reduce the light to over 16. Yeah, I think this is okay. And then behind her, I have my headlight, which I'll be using to separate her from the background and also to put some light on her hair. So, guys, let's shoot. And again, the gear I'm using is just one of the small gear in the studio. This is Nikon D7100 with 35mm lens. It's a crop frame camera, but trust me, the result from this camera is going to marvel you. So, are you ready? All right, so just give me some fine poses. Yeah. Portrait. Yes, portrait. So I'll introduce the reflector, but let me see the result first. Let's take a test shot to see what we have. Okay, that's beautiful. I love that. Okay, this is too much. I still need to bring this down a little, and then I'm gonna shoot. Okay, bring it back. Yes. Okay, and this need to get our light right. I want to shoot low light, so I'll be shooting at f4. Let's see what it looks like. Let me introduce the reflector here and see what I have. Please don't worry, just do your thing. Do your thing. Let me see what will come out. This. Oh my god. Wow, okay. I'll take it back to f3, f3.2, and let's see. Okay, it's coming out. Okay, let's go back to f2.8. All right. Can you bring your head this way small? Yeah, good. I love that. All right, that's good. Come here. Let me shoot at f2 again. All right, let's do this. Cool. I look away this way. Yeah. Okay. Can you look at this light from there? Yeah. All right. Okay, let me have you turn this way a little and then give me out of your way something. Side. Yeah, something like that. Good. That's beautiful. Love that. Oh wow, this is awesome. All right, this will be all.